Good morning, students. Today we will learn about human brain and its function. Dear students, brain consists of three main parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain further consists of three regions: olfactory lobes, cerebral hemisphere, that is cerebrum, and diencephalon. Olfactory lobes are a pair of small bodies. They are fully covered by the cerebral hemisphere and are thus visible only in the ventral view of the brain. These lobes receive impulses from olfactory receptors, which are the organs of smell in nose region. Now, cerebral hemisphere. Cerebral hemisphere forms the largest part of the brain. It is also the most complex and specialized part of the brain. The two cerebral hemispheres lie side by side, being separated from each other by a deep longitudinal cerebral fissure. Forebrain has frontal lobe in the region of speech, facial muscular activities, as well as higher mental activities. Temporal lobe is the region for auditory reception, that is hearing. Occipital lobe is the region for visual reception, that is sight. Parietal lobe is the region for touch, taste, smell, temperature, and conscious association. The third part of the forebrain, that is diencephalon, lies on the inferior side of the cerebrum and thus is visible in the ventral view of the brain. Its roof is called epithalamus. Sides are called thalami and its floor is termed hypothalamus. Dear students, the second part of the brain is midbrain. It is also known as mesencephalon. It is significantly small in region. It consists of two fiber tracts called curuca cerebri or curuca cerebri and two swellings called superior and inferior colliculi on each side. Midbrain controls reflex movement of the head, neck, and trunk in response to visual and auditory stimuli, and the eye muscles changes in pupil size as well as shape of the eye lens. The last part is hindbrain. It is also known as rhombencephalon. The hindbrain consists of three parts: cerebellum, pons varolii, and medulla oblongata. The cerebrum maintains the posture, equilibrium, and muscle tone. Pons varolii controls some aspect of respiration, and medulla oblongata, which is the most important part of the hindbrain, controls rate of heartbeat, breathing, movement, expansion and contraction of blood vessels to regulate blood pressure, and swallowing, coughing, sneezing, and vomiting, etc. Thank you.